Okay, this is the Ascension guidance based on Opal Quantum Healing, and the guided meditations, the supportive work is in the Enzo Academy. Okay, so what we're seeing this week is some of you guys are just beginning to learn about and work with the 60 energies. So 60 is obviously the indigo ray. It's the basically third eye and above would represent sixth density. So there is some information, lessons coming in for sixth density for some of you guys, okay? There is more learning with the emerald ray, and the emerald ray in the 5D system is actually the Earth star. So you're grounding into the emerald heart in the 5D system. And so there is an opportunity here to really ground and begin working with earth-based energies in the 5D system to begin creating with your consciousness in a artistic way. So this is the energy I'm really getting here for some of you guys that are in the upper 260, upper 5D to 60 energies, or 70, okay, some people are there too, is to really begin working with the thought forms and the co-creative abilities that you have, okay? On a large scale, we're not working with this as a collective, but on an individual basis, you can work with this daily and begin practicing and experimenting with that. I started the thought form course last week, the last 2 weeks. I'm just going to be slowly adding stuff. It takes a lot of discipline and commitment to work on this level because it takes detail and commitment and belief and a purity and energy to really work on this level, but I see that coming through. So a lot of you guys could work with the emerald ray to help with the healing process, as well as aligning with truth, as well as activating the organic technology of the mind, which is the pineal gland, okay? Then we have this soul dissonance. For some of you guys, these may all relate, some of them, some may not, okay? So take what resonates, take what doesn't. But there is a soul song that is dissonant at this time, and it's because there are energies looking to the past, or worried or distressed over spilt milk, things that you don't have control over now, and they're asking you to focus on what you do have control over, what you do have in this moment, and focus on the light and the joy that you have, and that will help realign and reharmonize your soul song, okay? So if you're feeling not that connected to your higher self, this came through yesterday as well, make sure you take some time, disconnect from the world for a little bit, and meditate and realign with your higher self, okay? Blue ray, power and protection. So this is an energy that you guys can work with. If you feel dissonant, you feel stressed out, worried, you can work with the blue ray. There's a meditation in the space, Archangel Michael and the blue ray that will help you with aligning with your own power, sense of power, and your own sense of purpose, okay? There's a much bigger soul-based plan here. Some of you guys may have a purpose and alignment with another being, such as a twin flame or soulmate. This could be business, relationship, or other, or it could be just a need to step into your power and align with that, okay? We have a message from Tau Ceti. Tau Ceti, they are these really friendly beings, and I believe they are in charge of the Galactic Federation. They have been seen as being more bear-like, kind of like large Ewoks is how I saw them. But if you can connect to your galactic family or the Galactic Federation, if that resonates with you, and they are bringing in a message that there's a breakthrough and things are going to get smoother here on a collective level, possibly on an individual level, possibly on a collective level, okay? And a very clear message that you have completely cut cords with the reversal fields or and or you do not resonate with them anymore, and there is a need to stop aligning with those energies. So how do you stop aligning with reversal fields? Well, we do it energetically. You can do it by shifting from the 3D to the 5D system, and then you can bypass the reversal fields and you're anchored into a different grid system. The 3D grid system is still being cleared and cleansed, but there's still the consciousness that is stuck in the reversal fields. So you are probably going to feel really distorted, heavy, anxious, all those kind of nasty feelings that we get when we're out of alignment. You could feel those if you get pulled into the reversal field. So we saw this here. So if you feel like this with the 5 of Cups, then there's a need to realign, reharmonize, and possibly shift to the 5D system if you haven't done that yet. And if you have, then realign with the higher fields of information and light, okay? And then last thing, a way to kind of auto-correct if you're feeling these lower vibrations and stuff is to begin to harmonize with unity, seeing source in all things. It is everywhere, okay? And start integrating that reality into your mind, into your body, into your subconscious, that everything is source. It's all with you right now, okay? That's all everything is. And that is the place you need to go to refuel, repower, and recharge, okay? Hope that was helpful. So what I would work with this week is the blue flame with Archangel Michael, and I would work with the emerald ray, the Merkana activation. It's actually not the activation. Unless you want to do the activation, you can do that. But there's a Merkana green ray meditation. I think this actually came through a few weeks ago. And let's see here. Yeah, work with your galactic family, just through meditation or resonance. Look for signs and symbols from your galactic family, because there are some messages there, as well as connecting to the 6D energies, okay? Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next week.